When I was running a distribution business, I networked with a lot of other distributors and was always amazed at how many of them relied on spreadsheets and monthly financial reports to understand profit. They all complained how they were looking at old data that wasn't useful in impacting what is happening right now. They were right. By the time the reports arrived, the damage had already happened. A spreadsheet can tell you where margin leaked last month. It cannot protect the quote your team is building today. Our joint research with Distribution Strategy Group found that 63% of distributors still rely on Excel and manual analysis for profitability. Excel has its place, but Excel is not a margin control and protection system. If your sales, customer service, and branch teams do not see profit information while they are pricing the order, you'll end up underperforming against your profit targets. This is where small margin leaks become big cash flow problems. The fix is simple. Put profit visibility at the point of sale. Before the quote goes out, your team should know whether that order is actually going to make money and, moreover, how it's doing against your own profit targets. Download the full report below and follow Cavallo for more ways to close the execution gap.